This is how to use the Dark Oak Tree Farm. You can find it here in the Industrial District. To use it, enter the farm and turn this on so the minecart starts moving. Turn this on to turn on the farm, and make sure there is bone meal on the farm using this barrel up to the left here. You can then hop in the minecart, hold the saplings and face the trapdoors, and hold down right click. It will automatically do all this, though it can damage you, so make sure you have beacon effects if you are planning to do a longer session. It will also be very slow and inefficient with sapling replenishment, so make sure you start with a full stack or you may not be AFKing for very long. Just be mindful that when you get out of the farm, you are topside, so don't get exploded. When you are finished using the farm, turn off this, the minecart stops moving, and disable the farm before leaving. That is how you use the Dark Oak Tree Farm. You can find the collection over here.